gonna sing a one. Alright then. What a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Melissa. The worst ever to hit Jamaica. Cat 5 development in Caribbean water. What a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Melissa. The worst ever to hit Jamaica. Cat 5 development in Caribbean water. Grandma never see them thing from Shiban. Over the years she been through hurricane and storm. Houses sink, yes, roof wash away gone. And now people can't find them newborn. With B160 destroy every farm. The deck to all rising, we don't hear from Tom. Melissa sweating the cold mixed with the warm. Jamaica get hit by the eye of the storm. Right now the island is dead. People say them think a hurricane a man-made. The aftermath is not a very good sighting. Melissa you will breeze rain no thunder no lightning. What a devastation, the place no look pretty. Then one turn Black River in a smart city. Hurricane Melissa carry down in history. Fox News, they are CNN and BBC. But it's never take a while before Jamaica recover. What?
I'm a Melissa tell me stand second year again, start it right now. All about October 28, Hurricane that's what I'm asking, make a little last time, got something, I'm a Melissa tell me stand let me tell you about the girl named Melissa. I'm a Prince Tom, she was a damn preacher. Me pray hard and really feel like a preacher. Me pray hard and I want her to reach her. Smile Jamaica and I want her to feature. Considering time of the key and let me go the rain. Me wonder how Jamaica have a so still. Me hear the wind, here comes the rain. Me see roof and take off like aeroplane. Me see house wash wet, gone in field. Me see crop livestock gone down the drain. Power cut post up and block the rain. Wish part out still water brigade. 10 people small and if not the same. Me say Manchester, me a call you here. Me say that blood stain make me cry pain. Me wonder how Jamaica have a reason. Some say the man made some people a complain. Me, so me believe take up at the rate. And she mash up Jamaica left the place late. Me say when you go build back a bit. And if you need to tell it and never later. And let me tell you about the girl, beg it down, And me say petty, rape a boy. Can't see the judgment, Wait for over them, Well, and me say pang, and me say one go. Right for Clark, boy, chop like a mango. Pass that bone, brother, looking like Nanka. You man see your hide behind Bronco. And me say pang, and me say one go. Kill them so banana, saga like bamboo. Look out to the grace, me pull up on the jump. Even pick out them feather like jump. That's why my mama me now come out to feeling play bass, me get a middle finger. And me will make rifle sing like tinker. When them out cause them a play dukes a sinker. Me girl up, me gon' tick like Kinga. Rifle kick up, boy face like ninja. And crush them out like ginger. Give them a job in South Pole, Miss Marina. And that, them a go bury Ina. So let the pussy boy them come and if you see ya. Remember me a star, long before Gleaner. Me a Serena, shut down the arena.